it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's another day we're vlogging. You guys can see from the title of this video, I have a roommate. We have a roommate moving in today. I'm super excited about it. Honestly, A+ roommate. I'm so excited. I'm actually going to be picking them up at the airport in 2 hours. They're gonna be staying in my office for the next month or so. I definitely need to clean up this office. They're gonna be sleeping on my couch. We also have an air mattress for them if they want it as well. So I just need to clean up the office. I also need to make sure that I take everything out of my office that I need, like my makeup and things like that, so that they feel like this space is their space. I cannot wait to tell you guys who the roommate is. You guys know them already. Also, I get to pick them up in like 2 hours, so you guys will find out literally in like 4 minutes who my new roommate is. I just cleaned my entire desk area so that they can work here, but I do need to clean everything else in this office. Let's take a quick tour of what this office looks like. Honestly, it's not that bad. Things just need to be tidied up. It's not honestly bad at all. It's also kind of bad. So here is the current state of my office. Yeah, honestly not that bad, not too bad. If you're wondering why my couch cushions are currently on the floor right now, it's because whenever I pull all-nighters, normally there isn't a bunch of clothes here. Whenever I do pull an all-nighter, I like to like lay myself on this couch because it's super comfortable and have a blanket, and I just edit all night long. And I just like need to like tidy up this back area as well. Not a lot needs to be done, so let's do it. Guys, it has been about an hour and a half. I need to head to LAX right now to pick up our new roommate. Thought I'd show you guys the entire office because I did clean it. I thought I would have a little bit more time to clean, but I got distracted by all the stuff that I have and started like looking through all the makeup that I have. I thought I would just show you guys really fast and then head on out. All right, office is nice and clean. When I come back though, I'm for sure gonna grab my makeup and bring it to my bathroom so that I don't have to do my makeup in the office anymore. Honestly, my office is looking freaking cute. The only thing is I really want to paint this room a different color. I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad at decorating. I love how this turned out so much. Beautiful, A+, love it. This just needs more work. It's so plain back here. I hate filming in this office. The lighting is really weird. I also need to add curtains. It's been something that I already purchased. I already have the curtains for it. I just am too lazy to put the curtain rods up. Okay guys, so I'm currently at LAX, but in like a parking lot area where we can all wait. I am waiting for baggage claim for my roommate to come in the car. Honestly, LAX is like such a shit show. If you guys ever fly into any airport and someone is picking you up at LAX and you have baggage, tell them to pick you up 30 minutes after your flight arrives, because I swear LAX is literally the worst airport ever. I've been to JFK, Chicago, Sacramento, Hawaii, everywhere. LA always takes the longest, and I forget that I should not leave my house until they literally are at baggage claim because they take so long. I've been waiting for 20 minutes already, which is crazy because I left like 40 minutes ago, so I'm just waiting. I just ordered boba to my house. I'm so excited to go home and have some boba. That sounds so good. Roommate is here. Ah! Oh wait, she's here. Hi guys. Yay. New roomie is Tammy for the month. We're heading home now. All right, we'll update you guys on why she's staying with us for a whole month in a little bit. So we are home right now. Tammy has all of her suitcases in the office now. Just in case you guys are wondering why Tammy is staying here for the next month or so. So Matt and I are just traveling to Chicago, so we needed someone to watch Zoe. Also, Tammy has literally 3 weddings that she's going to this month that's in the LA area, so we figured she would just hang out with us for the next month and sleep here. She's taking over the office. I'm super excited about it. Honestly, it's like just like nice to have family around in general. And honestly, the older I've gotten, the more I'm like, I wish I had family closer to me, because the closest family I have is like a 6-7 hour drive away in Sacramento. Just in case you guys didn't know that, like my entire family is from Sacramento and I'm in LA. But yeah, that is what Tammy is doing. She also works remotely, so she's honestly just been traveling. She's been traveling to like New York, Chicago, literally all over like the state and country, and honestly kind of jealous. Like kind of jealous of her life right now because I have too many responsibilities in Los Angeles. Matt is currently making us tacos. I'm so hungry. We ordered boba. I finished it all. Kind of wished I got like 2 bobas because it's so good. Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? It's been a few days since I've vlogged. Tammy and I have literally gotten boba every single day she has been here. It's a bad habit, but I'm honestly the happiest girl in the world because I get to have boba every single freaking day. I wanted to show you guys something because I just got something in the mail that I've literally been waiting months for. I've been wanting to get this thing for so freaking long, and I swear manifestation works, or just like coincidences in the world do occur, and it's crazy. I don't know if you guys have heard of a narwhal. So I watched a TikTok about narwhal like a few months back, maybe like a month and a half ago, and I was like, I need this for my house. The day after I watched that TikTok, my sister sent me the TikTok being like, you should get this for your house. Then literally the next day, I'm not kidding, the next day, narwhal reaches out to me and says, we want to work with you. So today's video is sponsored by narwhal. If you guys don't know what narwhal is, I'm about to change your life. It is a robot vacuum cleaner that also mops your floors, and you guys know me. I'm literally a sucker for cleaning supplies. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I'm just becoming an adult. Like literally, if it was my birthday, I would ask for like a cleaning product. I literally get so excited about cleaning and organization supplies. So when they reached out to me saying they wanted to send me one, I freaked the out. Let me show you guys what I got in the mail. She's still in the box because I wanted to do a first impression. I'm so excited for this because my house never gets mopped. I think we've mopped it maybe 4 times in the last 2 years we've lived here, which is kind of disgusting. We do vacuum it quite often, but mopping just does not happen here, and we should definitely mop it more often, and now it's gonna happen because of this thing. Box is a little heavy. Oh no. Oh my god. So I ended up doing a bunch of research on this guy because I was looking to actually purchase this guy myself, and this thing has won the Time Magazine Best Invention of 2020, which is a massive deal. I think they also won the Red Dot Design Award. Like, they won so many awards. So not only that, the biggest thing about mopping for me is that I just hate how dirty the mop gets. It's just, I don't want to touch the water. It just gets really disgusting. So this guy has self-cleaning capability, so you don't ever have to touch the dirty mop water. Oh my god. Oh man. Alright, so this is what the narwhal looks like. This is the robot guy. The coolest thing about their narwhal is that it doesn't have a roller, so your hair doesn't get caught up in the actual rollers, which is amazing because your girl has long hair, and I don't know how many times when I was a kid and I had to vacuum the house as my chore, I've had to cut off my hair from the roller. Here is the base. Whoa. This is so cool. So clean water goes in the blue bin, dirty water goes in here. So I'm currently setting this guy up. It's honestly pretty simple to figure out, but I thought I would do it with you guys. It just looks so freaking cool. Like, it's so high tech. The robot is starting up. That is so cool. That is so high tech. Literally, what the heck? This is the little dustbin, completely clear. I want to see how much it picks up today because I purposely have not vacuumed my house in 2 weeks just because I wanted to see how much it can vacuum up. But is this not cool? This is a hook cutter, so you can cut off hair by using this little hook, and then it's just like, it's magnetic. It stays right here for whenever you need it. She is in. She is ready to be started. I set up the base. This is how pretty the base looks. So I'm trying to get the robot, which is over there, to go over here. So I just short press this guy. No, leave her alone. Come here. Good girl. She just went home. The next step is I actually need to map out the entire house. I read the directions. It says that to map out the entire house, I need to clean, of course, all the big things that are on the floor. You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy, I know, baby. This window right here is closed. I just cleaned everything off the floor that was massive. So let's take a look. Here is the living room. I took everything off of the floor, put away all the blankets, any sort of toy that's for Zoe. I also finally threw away this dead plant that was sitting here for the longest time. I do need to put away this pot because now it's not being used. I stacked all of my pillows, or my like floor pillows, on top of one another so that the narwhal doesn't have to like go around them. I also opened up all my rugs because these guys have not been vacuumed in a little bit. So I think it's officially time. We need to start this guy up. All right guys, I got our charge to 60%. Let's see if we can start mapping my entire house.
Start mapping.
Yes.
Clear obstacles on the floor and keep doors open.
Leave her alone. Zoe, come here. I am seeing live little Narwi. She is currently mapping out the entire house. I've decided that her nickname is gonna be Narwi. We can figure out a different nickname for her. Let me know what you guys think of that nickname. I can see live exactly what she's doing. I think she's kind of doing the perimeter of the house first, but we got lots of obstacles here that she has to figure out, and she's slowly figuring them out. Look at her go. Okay, so she's currently sensing the house. This is so cool. So this is where her base is. This is where the table is with all of the chairs. These are the little legs of the chairs. These two chairs right here don't have legs. It's a complete base and you can literally see it. This is so cool. Also, not that loud. I was expecting her to be a lot louder than she is right now. This is not too bad at all. All right, true test. Yes, she made it on the rug. She made it on the rug. Save these clips for like cool montage, Callie. Okay guys, mapping is complete. She is back in her station. She went in by herself. I wonder if I can start the vacuum from my actual phone. Playing.
Start vacuuming.
Yes, yes. There she goes.
Take it or leave it. Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't.
All right, let's look at the dustbin. It's saying that it's full already. That just show you guys that I really have not cleaned or vacuumed my spot in like 2 weeks. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, it got so much out. I'm actually shocked. Guys, I don't know why this little machine is making me so freaking happy. So, she just cleaned the entire house. She vacuumed everything. This is the part I had been waiting for, which is the mopping part. It's my least favorite chore to ever do. I hate doing it. So I filled up the clean water tank with clean water. You don't need to use detergent with it, but if you are gonna use detergent, you specifically need to use the Narwal detergent. It's really cool because they come in cool little sheets like this. I'm gonna stick this little guy in the hole. I feel like I'm living in the future. Like Jetsons who? Like I'm living in the Jetsons right now. Oh yeah, look. I don't know if you guys can see, it completely dissolved in there. I was really worried about this robot because I was like, is it gonna mop my actual rugs? Because I don't want my rugs mopped. So there is a special feature on the actual app where you can actually tell it that it's off limits, specifically for the mopping section. So I mapped out all of my carpeted areas in my house. She won't go there, she won't mop those areas. So I just put the little mop pads on. It says that the 2 rounded triangle mops spin at 1800 rotations per minute with 10 newtons of pressure for deep cleaning with no stains left behind. Also, the robot can auto detect mop's dirtiness and return it to the station to self-clean it, and then it resumes wherever it left off.
Returning home.
Oh, we're doing it, we're doing it. There she goes. She's going. Oh my god, I can see it. I can see it. Okay, so I actually have ketchup, and I'm gonna put some ketchup on the floor and see if she gets it.
And now I need you to meet me in the middle.
It is officially all gone. Whoa. Okay, so I have it on a setting where she goes over the same spot 3 times, which is why the first time she went around it, I was like, holy shit, she's not gonna get the ketchup. But then she went over it 2 more times and she got the ketchup. All right, guys, a litlittle update. We ordered Zanku chicken. Look how freaking bomb that looks. Yum. And we're currently watching Friends from College, which is so funny. I didn't know about the show until now. Such a good show, but I will be eating. Hello guys, it is currently the next day, so little updates on the narwhal. I turned her on this morning to finish cleaning and mopping. I had her stop because we were just eating dinner and watching TV, but she just told me that I need to check the water tank because I need to add more clean water, and I want to show you guys how dirty this water tank is. I'm like shocked. It says check clean water tank, which pretty much means all the clean water is probably gone. Oh yeah, she is empty. Oh my god. That is disgusting, Callie. Oh, Callie's here, by the way. Look at this.
Wait, is that from just now?
Yeah! Like, I'm actually shocked at how disgusting my house looks. Did not expect it to be this dirty. Also, here's today's outfit. Jeans are from PacSun. My top is from Princess Polly. I love this top. It's so cool. And I really like these PacSun jeans as well. I've had them for like years. All right, I emptied out the dirty water. And then I filled this guy up with more clean water.
Paused. Press the start button to wash the mop. Mop cleaning.
Guys, Narwi just finished mopping. If you guys want to check out Narwhal, I'm gonna have a link for you guys down below so that you guys can check it out. Also, I don't have stairs in my house at all, but if you guys do have stairs, the actual Narwhal can sense cliffs, so I won't go over the cliff. Honestly, I am like shocked at how much I love this thing. This morning I woke up and I was so excited to turn it back on and just have like a fresh, pristine house. The floors feel clean, they feel squeaky clean. But yeah, Callie and I are currently just working right now. I of course got boba again. As you guys know, I've been getting boba every single day Tammy's been here, and today was no different. I'm justifying it because Callie is here right now and she's been on vacation for 3 weeks, which means she personally has not had boba in 3 weeks. So it's all evens out. It all evens out. Like, this is the reason I'm getting boba today. I just uploaded my This Was a Bad Idea YouTube video. A lot of you guys are asking me questions about the house and why I'm not purchasing the house. If you guys haven't watched that vlog yet, go back and watch that vlog. But pretty much in that video, I went to go see a house that I've been stalking on Redfin every single day for the last 2 weeks. They had an open house for the house and it was definitely like barely above my price range. So in my head, I was like, maybe I can put in an offer for like a little bit less than the actual like asking price. Yeah, they already had an offer for $2.1 million, which is way above my price point. Honestly, even if I could afford that mentally, I think I could not get myself to buy a $2.1 million home. Like, I would rather buy a second house with that money than to buy a house that's $2 million. Yeah, I'm not getting that house. I'm not gonna put an offer on it. I just don't want to hurt myself. I just already know that I'm not gonna get the house, but I am in contact with the designer of that house. She already knows what my house looks like. She told me, she said that she actually wanted to purchase my house and renovate it, but she got outbid by the actual people that sold me my house. She already had a vision for my house. So I honestly think this was like a perfect alliance. She already knows what she wants to do with this house. So I'm having her work on the garage and the backyard. Unfortunately, things cannot really happen until 2022 because she's completely booked out. And a lot of you guys are also asking me, like, why am I not buying my house in Colorado? And if you guys followed my process in Colorado, I did try to buy a house in Colorado. Like, Matt and I put an offer on a house 4 times. We got denied on all of them just because the housing market is absolutely batshit crazy. So now that we're back in LA, Matt and I have kind of taken a step back from looking for a house in Colorado because the market, one, is crazy. I did not expect homes in Colorado to be the same exact price in Los Angeles, and financially it is a smart move to have a second home that I know we're going to move into in the future, but right now it just doesn't seem like the best move because I want to diversify my portfolio, and if I was to buy a second home in Colorado, that meant like 85% of my money would be held in real estate. And I lived through the 2007 financial crisis where everyone's house values, home values like shot down. So for me personally, I think I'd be too scared to put my money more into real estate, especially with the housing market right now. I think personally there's gonna be a small bubble that's gonna burst. So I'm honestly just waiting it out. I'm waiting for that little bubble to burst, the COVID bubble, and then I'm gonna buy a second home then with Matthew. So we're just taking our time. I don't want to jump into anything or rush into anything. That is what's happening. All right guys, I'm currently editing the vlog right now, so I figured I would just end today's vlog here. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just editing. And if you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below if cleaning products and cleaning supplies literally make you as happy as they make me. I don't know why, but my little narwhal is making me so freaking happy. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are curious about it. But yeah, that is it with today's video. I love you guys. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.